Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. And today we're going to be making ricotta stuffed shells with a spinach pesto and a side salad. So what we have here is our skillet, a medium-sized skillet, heating up over medium heat, or even medium-low. It depends on how long you're letting it preheat. We've got some onions and some peppers. We have some of our spinach pesto already made, some ricotta cheese. We have our pre-cooked shells standing by and ready to be stuffed. So now what we really need to do is work on our filling. So we're going to go in with our onions. And our pepper. Okay, season this. A little salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. Little touch more oil over the top there. We're going to do this just until our onions start to become translucent. This is going to get mixed into our ricotta cheese. I'm going to season it with a little bit of nutmeg. Alright, we're going to add in our chopped spinach. Comes together fairly quickly. I'm going to let that spinach kind of wilt on top of the bed of the onions and peppers. Adding a few dashes of nutmeg. Kind of start to bring it all together now. Alright, at this point you can go ahead and kill the heat. Our spinach has wilted. Onions are soft. Grab our bowl that is standing by. Okay, we're going to let this cool. In the meantime, we have our oven preheating to 350 degrees. So now our onion, pepper, and spinach mixture has cooled. I'm going to combine this with our ricotta. Stir to combine. Alright, so we want to take one of our shells, kind of turn it slightly inside out. Begin to fill. Alright, seal it up. We're going to put these in our lined baking sheet. Alright, so you want to continue this process until you have filled all of your shells. Alright, we're ready to pop these into the oven. You just want to kind of loosely cover them, that way some of the steam can escape. Alright, so these are going to be in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're heated all the way through. So if your oven runs a little warm, maybe be about 15 minutes or so. So we'll come back and give those a check in just a few minutes. Alright, we're ready to pull our stuffed shells from the oven. Alright, they are heated through. What we're looking for. So we will plate these up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.